The board is visible. Please
Yes,
respond.
sir.
Ah, okay. Yesterday what we done? But before going, okay, end the session, just I think I gave two questions to you. You got the answer for that?
Sir,
I
got
gave,
the
I think,
second
one
answer,
question
but
I
not
gave.
the first.
First one you got the answer. Integration of sine inverse of cos x into dx.
No, sir.
No? Question number, it is 27. Integration of sine inverse of cos x into dx. Cos into dx. In inverse trigonometry, we learn very clearly that one. Outside sine inverse is there means compulsory here also we have to write in terms of sine we have to write. That is we know very well. That's why just you can write like this. Sine inverse of, I think this is the sine 90 minus x equal to cos theta. Na? So sine 90 minus x equal to cos x. Now sine inverse and sine will be cancelled. So integration of these will be cancelled. What about remaining? Pi by 2 minus x into dx. Now you can take separately. Integration of pi by 2 into dx one thing. Integration of x into dx is the second term. So integration of pi by 2 into dx equal to this is the pi by 2x is correct minus x square by 2 plus c. The answer. Okay. This is question number 27. And what about next one? 28th one. Please tell me that. Integration of question number 28. Yesterday I
Sir,
gave.
1 plus x into e power x
1
divided by
plus x into e power x whole by
divide, divided by cos square
cos square
e power x into x.
e power x into dx. Here just was once observe that. Here also we have the substitution here now. And what value we are taking the substitution? Compulsory we are taking the some substitution means we have to eliminate some term. So suppose if taken this is equal to t. I think it's like UV formula it is. UV formula. U equal to e power x and v equal to x only. We know very well that u into differentiation of u v plus u, okay, v into differentiation of u. We know very well that one. So you can do one thing, let e power x into x equal to, you can take t. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. Apply UV formula. U into differentiation of x equal to 1 plus x into differentiation of e power x equal to e power x only. Equal to dt by dx. dt by dx. Now what is the common here now? E power x is the common. So this is the 1 plus x equal to dt by dx. So therefore dx equal to dt by e power x into 1 plus x. Understood? Now these two values you can substitute in there clearly. So integration of 1 plus x into e power x whole by, this is the cos square of t into dt by e power x into 1 plus x. Clearly this will be cancelled. Integration of 1 by x equal to 1 by cos equal to, we know very well that secant square here. So integration of, this is the secant square t into dt. Integration of secant square equal to, we know very well that one tan t plus c. And t equal to, we are taking the substitution. So tan of e power x into x plus c is the answer for that. It is question number 28. Okay, clear the two questions, sir? Finish. Next, 29th one. Integration of tan cube of 2x into secant of 2x. Secant of 2x into dx. Okay, this is the question now. I think previous also we got that. Suppose we got tan power 4 or tan power 6 means, then we are splitting that one. And one of the tan square x equal to, we are taking secant square minus 1. The same way you can follow here also. So the tan cube 2x you can write now. Tan square of 2x into tan 2x into secant 2x into secant 2x. You can write as it is into dx. Into dx. Now we can take substitution here. Clearly this is the, no need to take any substitution now. One term we can take. I think this is the tan square x equal to, we know very well that one secant square of 2x minus 1 minus 1 into, this is the tan 2x into secant 2x, secant of 2x into dt, okay, dx. Now suppose we are taking the substitution here now. A differentiation of secant 2x equal to, what is the formula we have? Tan x we don't have formula. But secant x is equal to, we have formula is there. But if taken here tan also, I think secant x we are getting. But secant square means here it's not possible because the secant square 2x minus 1. So it's no use. So clearly here we have to take here now, let secant of 2x equal to take t. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. The differentiation of secant x equal to, we know very well that secant x into tan x into, again differentiation of 2x equal to, we will get clearly 2 equal to dt by dx. dt by dx now. Now find the value of dx you can find. So therefore dx equal to dt by 2 into secant of 2x into tan of 2x. Tan of 2x. Right. Now the 2 you can substitute in there. The 2 values can substitute in there now. The 2 we can substitute in there. So therefore, that implies integration of, in here secant to x equal to, we are taking t. So this is the t square minus 1 into, the remaining can write as it is only secant to x into tan to x into dt by 2 into secant of 2x into tan of 2x. Tan of 2x clearly, and these will be cancelled. And now 1 by 2 you can take outside. 1 by 2 into the t square minus 1 into dt. Now integrate this. So 1 by 2 into integration of t square equal to, we get clearly t cube by 3 minus integration of 1 equal to t plus c. So 1 by 2 into, so anyhow t equal to, take the substitution now secant 2x now. So secant cube 2x whole by 3 minus, this is the secant of 2x plus c, you can write. So multiply with minus 1 by 2 means, so secant cube of 2x whole by 2 3s are 6 minus, so secant of 2x whole by 2 plus c. The answer. Okay, simple questions only. But just we have to take the, but we have to get the idea immediately the what we have to do the substitution there. That is important.
Sir,
Ah,
so why can't we differentiate it directly, sir?
directly means
Sir, we have formula, so tan x is equal to minus log of cos x plus c, and secant x is equal to
okay.
log of secant x plus tan x plus c.
No. Suppose if taken this one here, substitution here, or we take directly.
Yes, sir.
Directly means then how can you take? In this condition, this is the tan. How to take this one? Tell me.
Not that,
Tan.
sir. The second one.
This one. We will take tan to x equal to t na.
Minus log. Like,
Ah.
sir, we have formula for tan x and secant x, no, sir.
Yes, is there.
And in the third, we got secant square x also. In the third line.
Here, but this is we are changing means we got this. This is equal
Yes,
to we got
sir.
this one.
So we
Suppose
can
this is we
directly
are taken the
differentiate
substitution. Tell me one more time. You can tell me.
We can directly differentiate this, no, sir. Then.
Without taking the substitution, how to take the differentiation? But integration not possible, na, directly. Is it possible to take integration directly without eliminating this? We are eliminating means then you can take.
But we know the formulas, no, sir. All formulas.
That only it is the, but we have to eliminate this value means compulsory we have to take the substitution. Okay. So without taking substitution, it's not possible, na? Anyhow, we got, at last also we got the t square minus 1 only. But when it's possible, after taking this substitution, secant to x equal to t, then after eliminating this one, we got this one, but directly we can't take. Suppose directly we take different integration means, then what about these two terms here now? What about these two terms here? It's correct. Please respond.
Yes, yes.
Correct only, na?
Yes.
Suppose these two terms are not there means, then we will take directly. And what about tan to x into secant to x? For eliminating these two terms, we are taking the substitution here. Secant of 2x equal to t we are taking. Understood now? Then we are eliminating both of them and remaining terms we are writing. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And I'll give one more question to you. Once you can try yourself. I think yesterday also we done the same model. But this is the one of the important question. Next one, first all of you complete this. After complete this, once remind me. I'll give the question.
sir.
This is the more important question. Write clearly that integration of sine power 8x minus cos power 8x whole by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x into dx. Okay. Integration of sine power 8x minus cos power 8x by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x into dx. How to find? First tell me the idea, then I will start. How to do the integration? Anyone? Anirudh? Anirudh? Respond. Tell me your idea.
And sine,
Very easy.
sine square plus cos.
Yes, yes. Then what first we have to simplify the entire function first. Correct? Later we have to do the integration. If you want to, in exaggeration, you do one thing. First separately you can simplify this. Later you can apply the integration. Later you can apply integration. Then also it's fine that. Now how to simplify this value means integration of the sine power 8x, you can write like this: sine power 4x whole square minus cos power 4x whole square whole by, and here also we'll write easily that one. What is that? In place of 1 you can write now, anyhow this is the 2ab it is. So you can write clearly sine square x whole square a square. Yes, please tell me.
So what is the last line, sir? The question, the previous
Here,
question. The previous question.
this one,
Yes, sir.
tan of 2x.
No, sir, the last line.
This
The last line, sir, the end of the question.
here,
Yes, sir.
secant of 2x
No,
by
sir,
2.
before that, secant cube to
Secant
x.
cube of 2x. I'll do one thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So in place of 1 you can write sine square theta plus cos square theta. Anyhow, you know very well that one is equal to always 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x, right, as it is only, whole into dx. Now what about this formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab equal to a minus b whole square. We know very well that one. It is also a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So you can write clearly that. You can write clearly. So this is the sine power 4x plus cos power 4x into, again, sine power 4x minus cos power 4x whole by, this one I can write now, sine square x plus cos square x whole square. Cos square x whole square. The integration of into dx. Into dx. I think again you can expand this value. Again you can expand this. Because minus is there now. Yes, simplify that. Integration of.
Sir, it should be sine square x minus cos square x whole square, no?
This is the minus. Because it's minus 2ab only, na? Yes, very good. Minus. Right. Sine power 4x plus cos power 4x into, again this one I can expand now. It's like sine square x whole square minus cos square x whole square. Again a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So write clearly that sine square x plus cos square x into sine square x minus cos square x. Sine square x minus cos square x whole by, this is I can write now sine square x minus cos square x whole square. Now I think 1 sine square x minus cos square x and square will be cancelled, and this value should be equal to always 1. This value equal to how much? 1. So you can write clearly that. The remaining you can simplify that. integration of sin power 4x plus cos power 4x whole by the remaining are sin square x minus cos square x. Sin square x minus cos square x. Now what we have to do? Into dx. Now what we'll do that? Any formula we have in this one? Any formula? Any formula we have? Or else suppose maybe converting into some other thing. Is it possible?
Sir, sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square is 1.
Equal to?
1.
No?
Because you wrote here,
yes,
no,
yes,
sir.
yes. That also one. No. And what about this value? What about this value?
Cos 2x. Sir.
Minus of cos 2x.
Minus cos 2x.
Minus of cos 2x. Very good. So if taken minus of cos 2x equal to, then what we are getting? 1 by cos equal to secant. Is correct? Secant. Integration of secant equal to? Integration of secant equal to how much? Integration of secant. Integration of secant equal to?
Secant x into tan x.
Secant x into?
Tan x.
Okay. So just we will change that value now. We will write. Suppose that same thing only, like what our Bonnie told previous, I am writing the as it is only. Sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square whole by this one a square minus b square equal to, clearly can write now, a plus b into a minus b na, a plus b into a minus b here into dx. I think directly for taking this one equal to 1, it's not possible. Because it is the sine power. It is the, suppose we got already, we know the identity. Okay, what identity we have? Sin square x plus cos square x equal to only 1 it is. But this condition we are not taking 1. But in this case, then what will do?
So, but in the second step you have taken, no, sir.
Where?
The
Where
second
taken?
step, 1 is sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square.
Where I took?
The second step, sir.
This one, huh?
Second, above.
Here
Above
I am not taking anything. Here I am not taking.
in place of 1 you have written, no, sir.
In place of
1.
this value, na?
Yes,
Because
sir.
here this is the A, this is the B.
Sir, that's why you have written.
That's why I'm saying that. But here, see, no, observe that. This is the A because they given 2AB. Is correct? That means in this case we will take easily because the 2AB. Here A equal to sin square x and B equal to cos square x. I wrote
No,
the
sir, in the
formula.
next step. Yes, sir.
Oh, this is the A square plus B square minus 2AB equal to A minus B whole square. I am not taking here entire thing is equal to 1.
Sir, you have
But
substituted that only, no, sir.
No. Here we will write that one. Remember that one thing. Because in this turn, for taking that one, A equal to sin square x and B equal to cos square x, but for us, no clue at all. Because anyhow, they given suppose plus 2AB or minus 2AB means we will take directly. But in this case, they given very clearly 2 sin square x into cos square x. Means that this is the value of A, this is the value of B. I will tell you one more thing it is. One more thing. Suppose if taken any condition here, 1 minus 2A square into B square is there. But we don't have any formula A square plus B square equal to 1 it is. But in this case, maybe just will apply that one. Okay, here minus 2AB is there. Na? That means this is the A, this is the B. Then we are taking that one. Just to I wrote like only this in place of 1 equal to y I am taking this condition means One clue we have already. That's why I'm taking. Suppose this clue it's not there means we can't take directly. Understood now? This clue it's not there means we can't take. This clue is there, but previous that step you can see now there no condition because we are taking some other thing means but we can't get any changes. Suppose here minus 2, suppose here nothing is there. The a square plus b square we got now. But for applying the formula anything nothing no meaning on it here. Meaningless. That is meaningless it is. Understood now? That is the meaningless. Or else suppose you can do one more way also. Suppose if you want you can simplify only then whatever they given also you can simplify that. Okay, I'll do one more way. Suppose here you got the confusion means I will do one thing. I will do one thing. But this also find that, but don't think like it is the wrong it is. Or else all of you listen to me. Suppose I will take only one single term numerator I will take. Sin power 8x minus cos power 8x. I am not changing the denominator. Denominator I am writing the as it is only I am writing. I am changing only the numerator. So this can be written as clearly we know that one sin power 4x minus whole square minus this is the cos power 4x whole square. I am correct? Then a square minus b square equal to how much? A plus b into a minus b. So sin power 4x plus this is the cos power 4x into sin power 4x minus cos power 4x. Cos power 4x. I am changing only numerator. So this one I can write now sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square into this also you can write this value sin square x whole square minus cos square x whole square. It's okay. Now, but here you can apply the one more formula. I think we know that one. A square plus b square equal to one formula is there. What is the formula? A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Correct or not? Minus 2ab. Because a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Plus 2ab right this side now. So this one I can apply. And so here a equal to sin square x and b equal to cos square x. So write clearly that sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2ab. So 2 into sin square x into cos square x. I think this is the more easy to you. Write as it is only. Into this one you can write now a plus b into a minus b. So sin square x plus cos square x into sin square x minus cos square x. Sin square x minus cos square x. Is correct now? And what about this value here? This is the 1. 1 square equal to will get 1 only. And 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x into cos square x into this is equal to clearly 1. So remaining you can write now sin square x minus cos square x. Sin square x minus cos square x. This is the value of numerator. The value of numerator. Now we can substitute in there now. I think this is you feel more easy compared to previous that. Substitute in place of this. So 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x into that same thing right now sin square x into sin square x minus cos square x minus cos square x whole by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. 2 sin square x into cos square x. I think these will be cancelled. Here into dx is there. Into dx. So integration of, and from this one you can take minus common. If you take a minus common, we got a minus cos square x minus sin square x into dx. And what about this formula? Integration of minus cos 2x. Cos 2x into dx. Now integration of cos 2x equal to minus take outside. Sin 2x. So sin 2x by 2 plus c. I think this is the more easy one, isn't it? Is correct? Compared to previous. So you can follow this one. I think previous you got the confusion there. So I think this is the best way. We are taking the numerator directly. Just we are simplifying the numerator. The sin power 8x minus cos power 8x you can write clearly that sin power 4x whole square minus and cos power 4x whole square. So a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. And how to we can expand the a plus b means the sine power 4x you can write to sine square x whole square plus cos square x whole square. So a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This formula I can apply. Right as it is. So a plus b whole square minus 2ab into, that is a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. I expand here now. Okay, this is equal to 1. 1 square equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. It is also equal to 1. We got as it is. The same thing you're substituting in the numerator place. And clearly these will be cancelled. This one is there. But if taken sin square x minus cos square x, we don't have any formula. That's why I'm taking here now minus common outside. So minus of cos square x minus sin square x. This is equal to, clearly we know that one, sin x. If you want, you can write here now. It is the cos square x minus sin square x minus sin square x equal to cos 2x. That formula. Minus is the take outside. Integration of cos equal to sin 2x by 2 plus c. Okay. Now clear? Banu? It's fine now?
Yes, sir.
This is the easy way. You do want that only. Don't take previous. Because there we are getting the confusion there. Leave that. This method you can follow. It's more important.
Excuse me, sir.
Uh,
So can you explain from that a square plus b square part again, sir?
here.
Down step, sir.
Down.
That step, sir.
Okay. What about this value, ma? Tell me that. First identity. Sin square x plus cos square x. Because here the value of a equal to sin square x. Okay. The value of
Yes,
b
sir.
equal to cos square x. So a plus b whole square. This is the formula I am applying. A square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Actually, how did this value means? We know the formula. A plus b whole square equal to how much? A square plus b square. It's correct. Plus 2ab. We know
Yes,
this
sir.
formula it is. Then
Yes,
a square plus b square equal to minus 2ab, right? Plus 2ab right is side now. It's become that minus.
Yes,
I wrote
sir.
as it is now. So sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2 into a equal to sin square x into b equal to cos square x. Okay. By using the first identity of trigonometry, this value equal to 1. So 1 square equal to 1 only will get minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here now a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So
Okay,
this value equal to clearly 1. So what about remaining? Sin square x minus cos square x
Yes.
only we have. And this
Okay,
formula
sir.
also we know that for minus cos 2x. I am substituting here now. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Right, next one. You completed means. After completing this once remind me, I'll give the next question. Finish.
Yes, sir, done.
All right. Integration of cos 6x into integration of cos 6x into root of 1 plus sin 6x. Root of 1 plus sin 6x into dx. Into dx. Yes, try. Take substitution directly. Anyhow, it is the constant equal to 0 we are getting. Yesterday also we discussed the same thing. And sin 6x equal to, you get clearly, cos 6x will cancel. You can do yourself that. It's very easy only. 31st question. All of you try yourself. Thirty-first, anyone got the answer? 31st one?
1 by 9 into
Ah,
1 plus sin 6x whole power 3 by 2 plus c.
very good. Very good. Correct only. 1 by 9 into 1 plus sin 6x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Very good. Try next one. Next also easy only. Next also very easy. But don't think like it is the e power log sin x base c is there. Don't think. Okay. Very easy. Simple thing only. Here these two will be equal. And what is the answer? And what is the value of this one? Here these two bases are equal now. E and E. At the previous I gave very clear that properties of logarithms. If these two are equal, then what is the value? Why no one are responding? Thirty-first, all of you got the answer? Suppose if you don't know means I'll give the answer for that. Thirty-first question, just you can see one more time that first. Suppose if anyone not get the answer means once you can see. Let I am taking here now 1 plus sin 6x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of constant equal to clearly 0 plus. And differentiation of sin 6x equal to, we know very well that one cos 6x into 6 equal to dt by dx. dt by dx now. So therefore dx equal to how much? dt by, this is the cos 6x into cos 6x into 6. So now these two values you can substituting in the given question now. So integration of cos 6x into root of t, root t into and dx equal to, we got the value dt by, this is the cos 6x into 6. Now clearly these two will be cancelled now. These two are cancelled. Now we can write. So 1 by 6 you can take outside. Integration of root t equal, you can write now t power 1 by 2 into dt now. So 1 by 6 into integration of, anyhow we know that one. Integration x power n equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by, this is the 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Plus c now. So 1 by 6 into 1 by 2 plus 1 equal to 3 by 2. So t power 3 by 2 whole by this also you can write now 3 by 2 plus c. Now 3 by 2 take reciprocal, so 1 by 6 into 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c. So 2 in this number 3 times. So 1 by 3 3s are 9 into the value of t equal to p substitution here. So 1 plus sine 6x whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. It is question number 31. Okay.
The 32 answer is minus
Ah.
1 by 4
Minus
cos
1
power
by
4x
minus 1 by 4 cos power 4x
plus c.
plus c. Very good. Correct only. So 32nd integration of cos cube x into e power log sin x base e into dx. We know this formula, e power log sin x base e. If these two will be equal, so what is the answer? Integration of cos cube x into sin x only. Cos cube x into sin x into dx. Now take substitution here. Let suppose you've taken now cos x equal to t, you can take differentiate with respect to x on both sides now. Integration of cos x equal to minus sin x equal to dt by dx now. So the value of dx equal to minus dt by sin x. Now both you can substitute in there. So integration of this the anyhow we can write now t cube into sin x into dt by minus take outside. Minus you can take here now outside. So dt by sin x. Dt by this will be cancelled. So integration of, so if you take minus only, integration of t cube equal, you can write now t power 4 by 4 plus c. So minus any of t equal to we are taking here now 4. So cos x whole power 4 by 4 plus c, the answer. Okay, small question. If you done that, you can try this question now. 33, integration of e power 3 log x, e power 3 log x into x power 4 plus 1 whole power minus 1 into dx. After completing question number 32, then once you can try question number 33. Very easy, this also. Already we have property, we got starting only property is there. This is the multiplication. And the whole inverse means also we know the meaning. Compulsory we have to take the reciprocal here. Okay, first complete this one. Then we're going to the next model. We'll do that. Question number 33. Anyone got the answer?
So 1 by 4 log modulus of x power 4 minus 1 plus c.
Minus 1 or plus 1? No.
Plus 1 by 4.
Plus 1. Okay. Plus 1. 1 by 4 into log modulus of x power 4 plus 1 plus c. Okay. It's correct. Now try next one. Then try next one. 33. Just if anyone not getting means just once you can see. Integration of e power 3 log x into x power 4 plus 1 whole power minus 1 into dx. Integration of. Already I think we know the formula. It is n into log a. N log a equal to how much? Log a power n. Log a power n. In the same here also 3 log x equal to you can write e power log x cube you can write now. E power log x cube into any of this the whole power minus 1 means you can write x power 4 plus 1 into dx you can write. And e power log x cube equal to how much? X cube only. We know very well that x cube by x power 4 plus 1 into dx. Because the default no base means here also you can take e. So these will be equal means x cube is the remaining. So take substitution here. Put x power 4 plus 1 equal to t you can take. Integration x power 4 equal to 4x cube. 4 x cube equal to dt by dx. dt by dx. So dx equal to dt by 4x cube. dt by 4x. That in both you can take substitute in there. So integration of x cube by this is the t only and dt by clearly we got now 4x cube and these two will be cancelled. These two are cancelled. And the integration of 1 by 2 equal to log t. Any 1 by 4 is there. So 1 by 4 into log modulus of t plus c. So 1 by 4 into log modulus of the value of t equal to x power plus 1 plus c. This is question number 33.
What is this? 34, sir.
You got the answer?
No, sir. I'm doing, sir.
This is a simple thing only, but don't get any confusion here.
Ax
34th
plus b whole
question.
power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1.
Very good. And I think 1 by a is also is there. We'll get 1 by a also. Is correct?
1 by a get
F of ax plus b equal to take t. F of ax plus b equal to take t now. So differentiate with respect to x now. Any of differentiation of f of x equal to, we got clearly f dash of ax plus b into, again differentiation of x plus b equal to a only, equal to dt by dx. I think this year you forget that. Once you can see. Here right this side now. So therefore dx equal to dt by a into f dash of ax plus b. Ax plus b now. Now 2 you can substitute in there. So integration of f dash of ax plus b into that ax plus b whole power n, ax plus b whole power n. I think this is only we have to take here now. What is this? T it is. It's correct. So this one you can write now t power n. T power n into dt by a into f dash of ax plus b. Clearly this will be cancelled. So you can take here now 1 by 8 you can take outside and t power n equal to t power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So you can write now 1 by a into any of the value of t equal to f of ax plus b. That means you can write now ax plus b whole power n whole by n plus 1 whole by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, that is the answer. If you want, you can take any f of also, you can take, nothing happen it is. It is. If you want, you can take here now f of also. Or else, suppose we got the confusion means you can write now. Okay, it's fine. Okay, you want here f of x also you can take. That is your choice, no problem that. f of x whole power n. The whole power n also you can write now like this. Then you are not getting any confusion. Try this. Very easy only. Just rational denominator. Rationalize denominator. It's a direct answer you will get. Try that. Rationalize, you get the answer. Rational denominator and you can find it. Anyone? Anyone got the answer? At least you got, you went to the last, the final step. So I am taking the separately here now. 1 by root of x plus a plus root of x plus b. I am here just I am rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing denominator. Okay. We know very well that. So multiply and divide by what is that root of x plus a minus root of x plus b whole by root of x plus a minus root of x plus b. Now multiply this. So 1 into the numerator equal to will get as it is only. So root of x plus a minus root of x plus b whole by a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So you write clearly that x plus a root of x plus a whole square equal to x plus a minus x minus b. Because x minus of x plus b equal to clearly will get minus into plus equal to minus x, minus into plus b equal to minus b. And these will be cancelled. So it is equal to root of x plus a minus root of x plus b whole by a minus b. Whole by a minus b. Now this value you can substitute in here now. So therefore, integration of 1 by root of x plus a plus root of x plus b into dx is equal to integration of root of x plus a minus root of x plus b whole by a minus b into dx. Anyhow, 1 by a minus b is a constant value. Take outside. So 1 by a minus b into integration of root of x plus a minus root of x plus b into dx. Okay. Now we can apply integration separately. 1 by a minus b into integration of this is the, if you want take bracket here, root of x plus a into dx one thing, minus integration of root of x plus b into dx is the second term. Now we can do the integration. One by a minus b into, so integration of root of x plus a you can write now, x plus a whole power 1 by 2 into dx one thing into dx minus integration of x plus b, here also you can write now 1 by 2 into dx is the second term. It's like x power n equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So clearly you can write now 1 by a minus b into, so x plus a whole power 3 by 2 whole by 3 by 2 minus, here also same thing only, x plus b whole power 3 by 2 whole by 3 by 2 plus c. So directly take LCM here. Reciprocal I can take. Take here now reciprocal. The final answer is 2 by 3 into a minus b into x plus a whole power 3 by 2 minus x plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Anyone got this answer? Anyone got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Very good. I think here, you know, we'll get maybe confusion. Sir, when you're taking that one x plus a whole power 1 by 2, but why we are getting this is not x? Because you know, all of you should remember that the coefficient of x equal to 1. Understood now? The coefficient x equal to 1. That means we got 1 by 1 equal to 1 only. Suppose if they given in problem itself 2x plus a, that time you can take. They given 2x plus a means 2x plus a whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 also will get. Understood now? The coefficient of x equal to 1. That's why I'm not taking any value. Suppose any other coefficient we have means that one compulsory we have to write 1 by that value. 1 by that value also we have to write. Okay. Next. Integration of x power 4 minus x whole power 1 by 4 whole by x power 5 into dx. I think this one also previously done. We are taking something common from that. We are changing the value and we done previous model also. I think by seeing only just we have to get the idea immediately. Here whole power 1 by 4 is there. So all of you listen to me once. All of you. Just 2 minutes. First listen to me. Here you know already whole power 1 by 4 is there. That means from these two terms you do one thing. Just you can take one term common. And what will take common here? Here power 4 is there means directly you can take here now. X power 4 you can take outside. So integration of, suppose if taken x power 4 is the common here. And what about remaining 1 minus? This is anyhow, we can compulsory we have to multiply divided by x power 4 means this is you will get 1 by x cube because we are multiplying both of them. X power 4 by x cube equal to how much? X only. Okay. Into this is the whole power 1 by 4 you can take. Whole power 1 by 4. Whole by x power 5 into dx. Now a into b whole power m equal to a power m into b power m here. So x power 4 whole power 4 equal 1 by 4 equal to clearly we'll get now x only. And this one you can write same you can apply the formula you can write it. So clearly x into this first term equal to x only. And second term you can write now 1 minus 1 by x cube 1 minus 1 by x cube whole power 1 by 4 whole by. And again we have x power 5 is there. But anyway, one single x already we have previous days. So this one just you can split it. X into x power 4 you can write into dx. Just we are doing the simplification, that's all. And these two also cancel. And what about remaining? Integration of 1 by x cube 1 minus x cube whole power 1 by 4 whole by x power 4 into dx. Now we can take substitution. Now we can take here now substitution. And directly we'll get the answer. Now you can write put 1 minus 1 by x cube equal to take t. But differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Any constant equal to 0 only minus. And 1 by x cube equal to this x cube you can write numerator x power minus 3. It's like x power n it is. Differentiation x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. I'm correct. So this one you can write now. So minus 3 into x power minus 3 minus 1. Correct or not? Differentiation x power n equal to how much? N into x power n minus 1. Equal to dt by dx. Equal to dt by dx. You know, minus into minus equal to get plus only. This is the x power minus 3 minus 1 equal to minus 4. So x power minus 4 equal to, you can write now 1 by x power 4 equal to dt by dx. Dt by dx. So therefore, the value of dx equal to, you can write now x power 4 by 3 into dt. So the two values you can substitute in there. It is equal to integration of, yes, this is we are taking substitution now. So t power 1 by 4 whole by x power 4 into any of dx equal to, we got now x power 4 by 3 into dt. And clearly this will be cancelled. So 1 by 3 is the constant value, take outside. Integration of t power 1 by 4, t power 1 by 4 into dt. So 1 by 3 into x power n equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So t power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c. So 1 by 3 into this is anyhow 5 by 4. So t power 5 by 4, or if you want to take directly it is into t power 5 by 4 into 4 by 5 plus c. Plus c now. So this is the 4 by 15 into t equal to any of the substitution now 1 minus 1 by x cube whole power 5 by 4 plus c is the answer for that. 4 by 15 into 1 minus 1 by x cube whole power 5 by 4 plus c. Okay. Then I'll give the one more question to you. Once you can try yourself that. Integration of 1 by x power 1 by 3 plus x power 1 by 1 by x power 1 by 2 plus x power 1 by 3. This is the same model. Once just you can try yourself that. Take something common here, then you can find it. Once you try now, try yourself once. In this question, some small trick also is there, but actually we are not getting direct answer. Definitely we are not getting direct answer for that. Anyone got it? Definitely we are not getting answer for that. We'll get answer, but some little bit complicated this. Little bit complicated. See now, all of you listen, look at the board now. Here also like previous one, just you can take common now. Take common. Suppose from this we are taking common now. Integration of 1 by x power 1 by 3 you can take common, because why I am taking x power 1 by 3 means one reason also is there. Because suppose we are taking the later any substitution here, maybe we'll cancel some of the term. That's why I'm taking like this. X power 1 by 3 common. So if you take an x power 1 by 3 common means, then what about the first term here now? X power 1 by 2 by x power 1 by 3 na? X power 1 by 3 plus 1 into dx. 1 into dx. Now a power m by a power n, you can simplify that. Integration of 1 by x power 1 by 3, x power 1 by 3 into a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. One clearly can take 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 equal to 6 LCM here. This is 3 minus 1 means we'll get 1 x power 1 by 6 plus 1 into dx. Into dx here. Now we can take substitution. Here what it is substitution means, I think yesterday also Anirudh asking doubt, you can constant is there, you can take complete thing will be the value of t. I told very clearly that one. Suppose if you taken the complete thing also value of t we are taking means integration of but differentiation of this one equal to 0 only. But x power 1 by 6 equal to maybe some we'll get some different thing. But anyhow later, but we can't cancel this value. We can't cancel this value. That's why then what I am doing here means, in this, especially only for this question. But don't think remaining problems also like that. No, just only for this question. Just I am taking substitution only for the one single term. That is the x power 1 by 6 equal to I am taking t. I am not doing the differentiation. I am not doing any differentiation here. Now what will I do means, both sides multiply by only for powers. Okay, both sides you can apply power 6. Can apply power 6. Then what you can tell me? X power 1 by 6 into 6 equal to t power 6. T power 6 here. Now these will be cancelled. So the value of x equal to t power 6. Now we can differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. Differentiation x equal to clearly 1 it is. T power is equal to, you can write now 6 into t power 5 into dt by dx. Into dt by dx. And now we can write here. Now we can write. So therefore, this one you can write on the value of dx equal to 6 into t power 5 into dt. Into dt. That value you can substitute in there now. That value you can substitute in there. And one more value also we have. What is that? X power 1 by 3 also required. That also you can take. But x equal to t power 6. Verify that also. Okay. X power 1 by 3 equal to the value of x equal to, clearly we got now t power 6 whole power 1 by 3. A power m whole power n equal to a power m into n. So 6 into 1 by 3. 3 in this number 2 times. So clearly x power 1 by 3 equal to we got t square. Now this value and here all you can substitute in there now. So integration of 1 by x power 1 by 3 equal to we got t square, and x power 1 by 6 equal to we took the substitution t. So t plus 1 into the value of dx equal to we got now 6 into t power 5 into dt. Clearly t square in this number 3 times here. So integration of 6 you can take outside constant value. So t cube whole by t plus 1 into dt. The problem we got. Now here how to do the differentiation, how to do the integration. So all of you here we got now this is the one more important modalities, important concept here. Suppose if any problem, suppose if you got now any fraction form is the improper. What is the meaning of improper? Please tell me anyone. Improper fraction. Please respond. Improper fraction. Now onwards we get so many questions are there in textbook also. So many problems we have. We'll get improper fraction. What is the meaning of improper?
Numerator is greater than denominator, sir.
Greater than
Denominator.
numerator is greater than denominator. This is we call as the improper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator. This is the we call as the proper fraction. Okay, this is the improper. This is the proper. Now in this condition, clearly the t cube is the more than t plus 1. Then what you call this one? This is the improper fraction it is. So suppose once we got the improper fraction, 100% it's not correct. It means it's not possible to integrate the function. Now in this case, all of you should remember that one. We will take the one formula is there now. Okay, the formula is the integration of improper fraction is, okay, but this one we can change into quotient plus remainder by divisor. That one we have to write. What is that? Quotient plus remainder by divisor. But how to get this one means, I think you know very well that by doing the long division method. So first you can do here now, clearly you can write now in above fraction. So therefore here you can write now t cube by t plus 1 is a improper fraction it is. That's why directly take the integration, it's not possible. So compulsory we have to simplify this question. How to simplify this function means we can do the division method I can do. We know very well that long division method. Take here t cube and this is the t plus 1. We know very well the first term we have to take. That means t cube by t. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. 3 minus 1 equal to we got 2 only t square. So t square you can write now, multiply both. So t square into t equal to t cube plus 1 into t square equal to t square. All of you know very well that take minus here because subtraction and these two will be cancelled and minus t square. Again first term by first term. So minus t square by t means t and square will be cancelled. This is the minus t. Multiply minus t into t equal to minus t square plus 1 into minus t equal, this is the minus t. Again if you take any addition here means and this will be cancelled. Then what about remaining? This is the plus t is there. Again t by t equal to will get plus 1. So 1 into multiply these two values now. So clearly you can write t plus 1. If you take in subtraction, this will be cancelled. The remainder equal to minus 1. Now in this case, we got very clearly that the divisor equal to t plus, this is the divisor, we know that. This is the divisor. And this is the quotient, we know very well that. This is the quotient. And the remainder equal to 1. Minus 1 now. Now all those things we can substitute in there. But whatever we are taking, the value should be equal to the same thing only. Maybe after simplifying that, sorry. I think, are you copied this question here now? It's starting, 2 lines. I forgot and I rub this. It's okay. I think here we got now 1 by x power 1 by 3. Now we can substitute in there. So therefore, integration of the same thing you can write now. 6 into the t cube by, in this place, we have to write completely quotient plus remainder by divisor into dx we have to take. We are suppose if you take and simplify this question, but again we are getting the same thing only. Again we will get compulsory the same value we will get. The same value we are getting. Now you can substitute in there now all those things. 6 into integration of the quotient equal to how much? T square minus t plus 1 plus the remainder equal to anyhow we got now minus 1 whole by the divisor equal to t plus 1 into dt is correct. The dt value into dt. I think maybe got the confusion, sir. We are taking like this. Now these two will be same or different? 100% will be same. Suppose you can take LCM here. What is LCM now? T plus 1 is the LCM. That means this entire function just we are changing like this. That's all. But it will be same only. If you take t plus 1 LCM means multiply both of them, we get same. Means t into t square equal t cube minus t square plus t and plus t square minus t plus 1 and plus t square minus t square plus t and minus t will be everything will be cancelled and plus 1 minus 1 also cancel. The remaining will be only t cube by t plus 1. Now this one I can differentiate, integrate that. This one I can integrate. This one I can integrate now. This one. So 6 into integration of, this is separately can write, integration of t square minus t square minus t plus 1 into dt. One thing, minus plus into minus equal anyhow minus only. So integration of 1 by t plus 1 into dt is the second one. So 6 into integration of t square equal to, clearly can write out t cube by 3 minus t square by 2 plus t minus of, this is the log modulus of t plus 1, log modulus of t plus 1 plus c. That's all. In place of t, whatever you're taking the substitution, that one I can substitute in there now. That is the final answer. Okay. Anyhow, the value of t equal to, we are taking x power 1 by 6. Substitute in there. This is also one of the important model. Anyhow, you will get, we have so many questions are there, this model. Suppose if you got the improper fraction, then what we have to do? If you want means textbooks are there. Textbook is there? Anyone have textbook? Textbook. In textbook only, before partial fractions, so we will get so many problems. We'll get so many. T equal to x power 1 by 6 substitute in there and you can verify it. X power 1 by 6 whole cube equal to x power 1 by 2 by 3
Sir,
minus, yes, tell me.
sir, can you explain this, sir?
One more time, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, result.
2 by t plus 1 is improper. After that,
2 power?
sir, after this improper thing. Yes, sir.
Yes. This is the long division method. I think previous already you learned in 9th and 10th standard. Long division. Dividend and divisor. I told the same thing only. Actually, how to do the long division? This term by the first term we are taking. Means t cube by t equal to how much? T square. Right here. Now multiply. T square into these two terms you can multiply. T square into t equal to t cube and plus t into t square into 1 equal to plus t square. Then take a subtraction. If you take a minus means these will be cancelled and a minus you can take. So minus t square. Minus t square. Okay. Again this term by first term. So minus t square by t equal to minus t. Multiply. Minus t into t equal to minus t square. Minus t into plus 1 equal to minus t. Then again you can do the subtraction. So plus minus become plus. Plus minus become plus now. Negative and positive be cancelled. So what about remaining? Plus t is there. Again t by t equal to 1. Plus 1 you can write. So 1 into this one you can multiply. 1 into t equal to t plus 1. Yes, you can write. Take subtraction means it should be cancelled. The plus 1 become that minus 1. So minus 1 is the remainder. This is the quotient, remainder and divisor. Okay. Now by in this formula, but how to get this value means one reason also is there. I think we know very well. Dividend equal to what is the formula we have? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Is correct? Division rule. Division algorithm. Dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder.
Yes.
Now, by in this condition, no, this is the actually what you call this one? Dividend. What is dividend value here? Dividend equal to t cube. Dividend equal to t cube. That means t cube, and here we required now clearly here divisor equal to t plus 1 also we required. T plus 1 also we required now. So you can change this value directly. Or you can leave here only. This one write this side. Or else this also write this side. D minus R equal to D into Q. D into Q now. And this one also write this side now. T. So therefore the Q equal to what we are getting? D minus R by D na. Is correct? You can write separately this value. Q equal to dividend by divisor minus remainder by divisor. Now the dividend equal to t cube, divisor equal to t plus 1. So we require this value now. So this one right is side. So therefore dividend by divisor equal to quotient plus remainder by divisor. The same thing one I am taking. The same thing I am taking there now. Okay.
That's not visible, sir.
This one, huh?
Yes, sir.
I'll shift this side. Now you can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. In place of dividend by divisor, I wrote this formula. I am not finding here. I am not getting from anywhere. So some different book it is. Based on the division rule only, we got this condition. Okay. If it's possible, it is the next class. So I will tell you. Based on these models, we will do some few integrations. Then you'll understand very clearly. Because instead of taking only one problem and just we are going to the some other thing, we'll get confusion that. Okay. Tomorrow we will do 1 or 2 questions next class. Then you'll understand very clearly that. Copy this.
Can we leave, sir?
Okay. Yes. Already time 8:34. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next class will continue. Okay, good night.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Welcome. I think today, compared to previous, today we done so many important questions. The different models also we got. And in the next class, we'll continue with transformation formulas.